Well, it is about time to start putting up some Christmas decorations and lights around here. So today we are going to start with a set of 100 C9 incandescent lights for the roof here on my house. Yes, such a thing does exist, a set of 100 C9 lights, at least in the commercial grade separate stringer and bulb sets. So here's the stringer I'm going to use. This has 100 sockets on it and it's 100 feet total. Got this for cheap off of eBay. I believe it was about $18, which is a phenomenal deal compared to the $40 that these usually go for new. And actually I am pretty sure this one is brand new. And it's only a year old, so that was a pretty good find. And then these are the bulbs we're going to use. I ordered 5 packs, even though we only need 4. Of course, there's 25 bulbs in each box. So here's what they look like. These are ceramic C9s. These will look great on the roof. And as I said, I got 125 of these, so I'll have some extras in case they burn out or break or whatever. Here's what the red bulb looks like, in case you're wondering. The blue bulb. The blues have a little bit of cracking on the coating, but that's alright because they'll be high up. No one will ever even see that. There's the green, the orange, and last but not least, the white bulb. And I also got these for cheap. I got them on a Christmas light specialty website. And I believe these were about $5 or $6 a pack, which again is phenomenal because usually these go for about $10 to $15 per pack. And then these are the light clips we're going to use to install them on the roof. These are the Home Accents Holiday brand from Home Depot. We do not have gutters on our house, only shingles, so the bulbs are going to be mounted facing upward, so hopefully that looks alright. But I'll go ahead and open this box and show you what one of those looks like. I'm in a little plastic bag. There's what that looks like. I don't think there's a way to adjust it so it's facing the other way, so unfortunately the lights are gonna have to be facing upward, which probably won't look as good, but hopefully it'll look alright. And then finally, this is just the extension cord that we're going to use to power them. So the first thing we need to do is get all the bulbs screwed into the sockets, because of course they came separated. That's just how most of these commercial sets are. You order the bulbs and the sockets separately. So we're going to have to screw all of those in, which is definitely going to be a process, but hopefully it'll be a process well worth it. So let's go ahead and get this unbundled here. It is tied up using one of those little wire ties that come with many different things. Okay, so that's the big one that was holding the two bundles together. And then there's 2 bundles of sockets here. We'll need to unbundle these as well so that we can unravel the whole set. So there's one half. Maybe I'll wait until this half is filled up to go ahead and unravel the second half. But I'll put those on the floor so you can kind of see what they look like. Here's what those look like on the floor. So we're just going to screw these C9 bulbs in one by one, just like that. And then when we attach the light clips, we'll have to be very careful as to which way they're going, because the lights are going to have to go in a certain direction based on how I'm going to have the extension cord going to meet up with them. So I'd say that looks pretty good. Now, just to do 100 more of these. heck is that? Is that like a wire from inside the bulb? I might not use that one. Have to get another box out. It's kind of weird. That'll be my replacements box, I guess. There we go. That's a better orange. Alright. 25 down. 25 more to go for this side of the set. Got another box here. Let's keep going. The heck? The heck is all that junk? Yeah, I'm getting another bed. That's better. Alright, what you just watched was about 15 minutes of screwing in light bulbs and attaching these little clips. And we got half of the set done. Used up one full box of C9s plus a second full box of C9s. There were a couple of duds here and there as far as the bulbs go. So I did have to use up a couple of my extra replacement bulbs, but hey, that's why I bought them, because you never know when you'll have a bad C9 bulb. Better be safe than sorry. So I'm going to do the second half of the set here off camera, because to be real, it'll probably be a lot faster that way. But real quick, I'll go ahead and show what these look like. Man, do these look awesome, even just turned off. Oh yeah. Oh, those are gonna look so good on the roof. Alright, now to screw in the rest of them. Cue the video editing magic where you see that instantly. Alright, I'm about 90% of the way done with the lights. And look what I just found out. These can adjust, I just wasn't doing it right. Well, that's just wonderful, because now these are all put on wrong. So either I go back and I fix them all, or I just leave them. I don't know. 97. 98. 100. I guess I can't count today. Well, I guess it was 98, 99, 100. Oh, jeez. I can't count today. But there we go. Our set of 100 C9 lights is all put together. Still got 23 replacement bulbs for the future, but of course if I run out of any particular one of those colors, I'm going to have to buy a new pack anyway. So let's go ahead and get these guys plugged in. Oh my god. Wow. That's amazing. Okay, let me turn off the lights here. Beautiful. Camera makes the reds look a little bit less warm than they actually are, but they're a little bit more warm in person. I think they're gonna look great on the roof. And I think I'm gonna leave the light clips the way they are because it'd just be way too time consuming to go back and switch them all. So I'm just gonna leave them, and hopefully they look alright, and then next year I'll make sure to put them like this. But anyway, now that these are all assembled, it is time to go ahead and get them put on the roof, which I'm not gonna do on video. I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'll go back later and show you guys what the finished product looks like. Alright, so this is just going to be a quick little update. No tripod or microphone here. So I ended up switching the light clips over to the other direction because I had a little bit of extra time. So just went ahead and did that, and I think it'll look way better that way. Again, kind of wish they would mention that on the package, so I wouldn't have nearly not noticed that, but I guess it is what it is. And went ahead and stuffed them in this box for now, just to keep them somewhere until we're ready to put them up here, and then we'll just pull them out as we go. Go ahead and get these plugged in for you guys. There we go. So there's what they look like. Very nice. So now we're going to go ahead and get these installed. And actually, one more thing. This set of lights is actually about 17 feet too long for a roof. So instead of cutting it down or anything like that, I just decided to mark some of the bulbs with tape. You can see the red tape there on either end. And that's how much we'll need to wrap around the sides of the roof. So there'll be some lights on the side of the house, just a few feet. So I think it'll end up being alright. Alright, it is now nighttime here. We put up these C9 lights earlier, and I just wanted to show you guys what they look like, because these look amazing. Man, they look really good. I'm very happy with how this project came out, because this is awesome. Absolutely beautiful. Here's a closer look at how they're mounted. Hopefully you can see that. We weren't able to slide the light clips underneath the shingles on our house, so instead we put them on that metal thing there, and I think that works pretty good. I would 100% consider this a success. These look awesome. So much better than the old LED C9s that we had before.